In this session, I will tell you all about blockchain bootstrap and how everybody is in control and how nobody is in control. Grandpa here will explain you how. So what do I mean with the blockchain bootstrap? It means that indeed everybody can impact the blockchain and nobody can impact the blockchain. It's a bootstrap, so it's connected with each other and you're stuck. You're settled with each other and you can't do without each other. Antonopoulos uses a very good example on this. He uses the restaurant example, so I will use the same example. So imagine that a blockchain is a restaurant where I as a user can go to eat or I as a user can use to transact, right? You see the connection there? So when I enter this restaurant, of course I'm not alone. There are some cooks there that cook the menus and use very big machines. Those are the miners. Of course, I am ordering of a menu that is written by developers in this case, and I need to pay people with, for example, fiat money, and I get some cryptocurrency, for example, in return. Those are the exchanges. There are some big investors that paid, for example, for the building that we're in. We've got some people outside screaming, hey, come eat in my restaurant. I've got the best restaurant in town. Those are the more commercial entities that are promoting their blockchains or promoting the ecosystem. So you've got multiple entities. The essence of the bootstrap is the following thing. Without one of these entities, the ecosystem won't survive. Try to run a restaurant without somebody writing the menu. Try to run a restaurant without somebody taking your orders and checking whether you paid. Try to run a restaurant without some cooks cooking your meal. And everybody has power. A developer has the power to change the menu. The cook has the power to decide whether to cook the menu. You as a user have the power to actually order from that menu. And of course, if nobody is out there pronouncing how awesome and how freakishly cool this restaurant is, nobody will find your restaurant. So you need all of them. And the beauty here is in the design that as soon as somebody starts acting out, everybody will see it in an instant because it's open and it's transparent. So as soon as the cooks start cooking meat on the menu while you are in a vegetarian restaurant, so they abuse the protocol, everybody will say, hey, that's not a very good vegetarian restaurant. I will stop eating there. Or developers will build it in such a design that you can't even order meat from the menu. So they can't even validate the transaction. And it works the other way around as well. So let's say that all of a sudden developers got some crazy ideas in their head and let's say, hey, why not create bigger blocks? So why not add meat to the menu? Miners can easily say, well, perfectly fine, but I won't validate those blocks, or nodes won't validate those blocks. Even if miners cook meat, users might think, hey, I'm not seriously thinking about eating meat, I'm still a vegetarian. I think 2MB might be a bad idea, so I won't go to that 2MB restaurant. And here kicks in the bottom line. Everybody is in control, nobody is in control. And you as a user can basically pick your restaurant based on your own preferences. Do you want to have sound international money that's a bit slower but faster than the current monetary system? You pick out the Bitcoin blockchain. If you want fast, centralized air money, you use the fiat money system. If you want to play and develop some things, you go to an entirely different restaurant. It's the exact same thing. It's whether you're ordering some beef menu or whether you are drinking a soup or whether you go out and eat some candy. Totally different flavors for totally different use cases. For now, that's enough. Grandpa gets a bit tired. I will use this restaurant example in further future to explain how you can innovate blockchains called forkology. For now, I'm going to get a quick nap under my blanket. See you in next session.